I've got all these files here, and they're in 70 BPM. And when I put them onto Ableton, I frequently find that Ableton doesn't warp the samples correctly. It warps it to a different tempo. So if you check the preferences, the first thing you have to turn on is the auto warp function. So you can turn the auto warp long samples on, and my default mode is complex. Turn the short samples to auto, and let's have a look. So I'm just going to drag all these samples in. So, and then set the BPM to the BPM of whatever your sample is in. So I'm going to just drag all of these in. And what you'll find is a lot of them. So 93 BPM, 82.96, 80 BPM, 65.89. None of them are in 70 BPM as I would have liked them to be. So I found a little hack around this, and it's here in the arrangement view. So I'm just going to undo that, Command Z, and I'm going to drag all the samples into this space here, and they're still not right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. I'm going to turn the warp off and on, and then they're going to map to 70 BPM. Nice and easy. And then you can take all these samples and drag them back into the clip view. And you'll have them warped correctly.